Hey you guys, so I've been away for a while. I recently got in a really bad car accident. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see I posted a depiction, everything. Totaled my car. I am back. I wanted to take a little break, refresh, regroup. And so today I'm gonna be doing a Q&A. I recently hit 1,000 views on YouTube, so I wanted to do something kind of cute and fun. So let's get started. What is the best and worst part of my personality? So I would say the best part is that I'm vocal, but then my worst part is either that I'm very stubborn, like a little stubborn, and I sometimes can have a bad attitude. How old was I when I first got my heart broken? I think like I probably cried over a guy like in middle school, but I didn't get my like real first heartbreak until I was like 16, 17 years old. What's a turn off and a turn on when dealing with a guy? So I would say turn on is confidence. Confidence will forever be sexy. A turn off is probably bad body odor and then arrogance. Like craziest thing a guy ever told me. I was talking to a guy and he had a kid and he was like, I have to babysit tonight. And I was like, babysit who? And he was like, my son. And I was like, okay. It was such a red flag. I was like, this is a no-go. Am I the romantic type? Not really. I don't care for long walks on the beach. I'm just not romantic. I'm very chillax. I like to stay in. I like to watch movies. I'm sweet, but not romantic. Do I have enemies? Why or why not? I think to have enemies, you have to be giving somebody energy. If somebody has an issue with me, that's their own personal problem. I have people I dislike, but I wouldn't consider them enemies. If you do have a problem with me, that's your issue, not mine. What are physical traits that I find attractive in a man? Teeth. Well, I guess the first thing I always notice is teeth. Teeth are like very important to me. Music, people would never think I listen to. Listen to Elvis Presley. I do listen to some classical music. What is an insecurity or flaw of mine? My weight fluctuates. Like my weight is literally up and down, and I'm naturally already skinny. So when I stopped eating meat, I dropped like even more weight. So that's an insecurity of mine because I'll put on an outfit and it doesn't fit me the same and I just feel really lanky, and I mean, I fight with myself about it. So that's an insecurity of mine. Something most people don't know about me, I'm really into Mafia movies. Like my mother didn't have cable when I was a kid, and she wanted us to be exposed to different things. And so she hooked me on like Robert De Niro and Al Pacino and Joe Pesci, Ray Liotta. She hooked me on them at such a young age that like I'm obsessed with Mafia movies now. Like, was YouTubing something that I always wanted to do? Yeah, it was. I think it took me confidence and a lot of time to grow into that confidence. Would I ever date somebody outside of my own race? And I would. I'm way more on character and personality than anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple Q&A. Hopefully I didn't talk too fast. And have a blessed day. I'm coming back with tutorials and all that. I will see y'all next time. Have a great day.